Hello viewers, in this video I am going to talk about the enigmatic queen whose dead body left naked to rot and unburied for an astonishing 400 years. In the annals of history, the life of Catherine of Valois, the queen consort of England, remains a captivating and enigmatic tale. Born in 1401, she was daughter of King Charles VI of France and Isabella of Bavaria. Catherine's marriage to King Henry V of England was a pivotal event in the tumultuous relationship between England and France during the Hundred Years' War. Unfortunately, after her untimely death, her body faced a shocking fate, left naked to rot and unburied for an astonishing 400 years. Catherine's early life and marriage. Catherine of Valois grew up amidst the turbulent political climate of the Hundred Years' War, which was a long-standing conflict between England and France. In 1420, at the young age of 19, Catherine was married to King Henry V of England in an effort to bring about a temporary peace between two warring nations. Their union produced a son, who would eventually become King Henry VI of England and France. Tragedy strikes. The joy of Catherine's marriage soon gave way to her attack when King Henry V tragically passed away in 1422. Catherine was now a widow and the Queen Dowager, but her life took another unexpected turn when her father King Charles VI of France also died shortly after Henry V. The Secret Romance. Amidst the mourning, Catherine found solace in the arms of a Welshman named Owen Tudor, who served as a servant in her household. Their relationship, shrouded in secrecy, eventually led to a clandestine marriage which sparked controversy due to Catherine's royal status and Owen's humble background. The aftermath of Catherine's death. In 1437, Catherine of Valois herself passed away at the age of 35. The circumstances surrounding her death remain somewhat unclear, but historical accounts suggest succumb to an illness, possibly childbirth-related complications. Her demise left her infant son King Henry VI to assume the throne, thus continuing the Tudor dynasty. The shocking fate. Tragically, after Catherine's death, her body faced an ignominious fate. For reasons still shrouded in mystery, she was left unburied and naked, exposed to elements and left to decompose for an astonishing 400 years. This macabre neglect was unprecedented, and historians have long puzzled over the reasons behind such treatment of a former queen. Rediscovery and reburial. It was not until the late 19th century that Catherine's remains were finally discovered during renovation at Westminster Abbey in London. The exact location of her unmarked grave had been lost to history, and her rediscovery sparked public interest in her life and the circumstances surrounding her death. Finally, the respect given to her. In 1878, Catherine of Valois was finally given the respect she deserved when her remains were reburied in a proper tomb within Westminster Abbey. A marble effigy now adorns her final resting place, ensuring that her memory would be preserved for generations to come. Catherine of Valois, a queen whose life was filled with both triumphs and tragedies, faced a most undignified end, left naked and unburied for centuries. Despite the unfortunate fate of her remains, her legacy endures her pivotal figure in the complex history between England and France. Today, her story serves as a reminder of the unpredictable and often puzzling twists that history can take, as well as the importance of preserving the memory of those who shaped the past. I hope you like this video. Please like this video, share with others, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get more videos. Thanks for watching.